Hey guys, it's me, and today we are back again with another squishy package. And this is again, from Kawaii underscore homemade underscore squishes. So basically, this will be all homemade, but I did order one thing or a set thingy that is, real squishy, you can say. But excuse my background. Sorry. But let me just fix my camera. Okay guys, so it's now fixed much higher. So like I am freaking out right now. So this is kinda big, you can say, but you can say it's much bigger than my head. Yes, can you see this guy? It's like goes over me, so yeah. So I got this package from her, as you can see. So I'm pretty excited. So oh, I can feel the squishies there. Feel the squishies. It's pretty easy to like peel it off. Like it's just there. Okay. Okay, I'm so scared. Why am I so scared? Like, what? So, there's like tape in it. Let's just cut this. Yes. Bam! Last cut. You can get the first peek. I won't peek yet. Okay, now I can peek. Okay. First thing I pull out is, I think this is the extras because there's the no and like some squishies in there. So do you open this? Alright. Oh, almost. So here is the bag. Come on, this is scissors. So let's start with the notes. So it says here, hi, thank you again for purchasing at my store. Hope you like the squishies and the extras. I saw the extras. So as you can see, Kawaii underscore homemade official squishies. So bam, there it is. So first extra is of course homemade because this is all homemade, you guys. There's one thing that's like real, you could say, but this ice cream cone thingy, so just give it a nice little squinch. So it's not the most low rising, but I mean it's fun. But if you like squish it like this way, you can see all the bounce back on that. Yes. So we got a donut. It's not a homemade one, it's a real donut. Oh, they smell so good. It smells like pastries. So just give it a nice squinch. Oh, this has a little bit of bounce back, but there's like a huge rip. Oh my god. This extra is pretty nice, but yeah. Oh wow. I didn't expect that much, but I know it's fine because it's like an extra. So the next extra, whoa, is this nice, cute strawberry. Let's squish this way. So she did update a lot. It's like my squishy pack is like 2 months ago or 1 month, I don't know. But yeah. So we also have this identification card, I don't know, so just says Adventure Time, and if you hear background noises, it's the construction, so I'm very sorry, just ignore that. But it says right here all the things, and you can see the name, address, phone number, all that stuff. Yes. So the last thing in here, I think, is my invoice. So this is my invoice. So first thing I ordered is Pancake House chocolate with butter, and it's 150 pesos, not dollars. Next is Pancake House waffle, so it is also 150 pesos. Next one is the onigiri, and it's 200 pesos. Next one is this 4 pieces of marshmallow squishies, and it says pink, blue, and orange, and it says hope you enjoy. No refunds, go underscore home and underscore squishy. So probably check her out. It's from Instagram. So yes, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so that's all the squishies. Oh, I can see the marshmallows. So first thing I pull out, at the top though. So this is my Pancake House chocolate with butter. Yes. It's pretty squishy, but not that squishy. There's just the tag. Oh, it just fell off. Like, I'll just put that back there later. Second thing I pull out is so excited. So this is the onigiri. So make sure the tag won't fall off. There's onigiri right there. Oh wow. That's pretty squishy. Not the most slow rising, but it has like a bounce back. So you can't really see it, but it says sushi right there. It says onigiri. So I can't take this out of the packaging because I don't want to, ruin that part. Because yes, I like this one. Next one is this. Oh, I can take this out of the packaging. This is the Pancake House purple choco waffle, and it's scented. I hope it's scented, but wow. It looks brown in camera, but it's actually a dark purple. So let's open it. This smells so good. It smells like a normal bakery, Maybe she went to the bakery and let this, scent go everywhere. But it's pretty squishy. Yes. Yes. So that's pretty squishy. I can't stop smelling this. But I think we have the last one, which is the marshmallow. It's there! Yay! Okay, so this is the 4 pieces marshmallow. So you got pink. I think she wrote the wrong thing. So this is like green. But yeah, it's just the invoice. It's just a piece of paper. But I have this, and she wrote there blue. But it's fine. So I won't take this out of the packaging. Or will I? I don't know. I'm just so excited, guys. Oh, that's pretty squishy. I'm impressed. So that's just a green. So that's the orange one. It's pretty slow rising, but it's not that slow rising. So I have 2 pinks and 1 green, 1 orange. Yes. Let's just take this out of the packaging. Okay, sorry. So let's just take this out of the packaging. They smell like marshmallow. Like normal marshmallow. I like it. So here is the pink one. So it's pretty squishy. Squishies. Yes. Here's the orange one. It's not the most slow rising. Yeah. So I won't take this other pink out because we already saw the pink. Yeah. And this smell, and all of this smell the same. So just give it a squish roll. So that's pretty slow rising. Not the most slow rising, but it's pretty slow rising. I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. And to go underscore home and underscore squishy. Thank you so much for all of these questions. Yes. So I'll probably order later on again. And this piece of hair is like floating everywhere. And the construction is not ending. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And guys, we reached 30 subscribers. I'm just reaching for 20 subscribers. And yeah, at my how to make mask line is like 100 and above views, and like I was like picking out, but yeah, I love it. Why am I hacking that one? So yeah guys, peace out, yo.